Hi, welcome to Laura's Fundora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this giant, huge hot cocoa cup. See, I've seen a lot of people make cute little mug cups, with pool noodles and a plastic round pot sort of thing, and I thought I could do that, but make it look like a foam cup. The materials I went to Home Depot and I got the thinnest insulation board that you can find. So this is the one I got, and I just got one. And then some fabric. I was kind of debating, should I use red or this cute plaid? I eventually used the cute plaid, a cute plaid fabric. And then I used two gigantic pots. And these pots I got from purchasing trees, and I just kind of saved the container after burying our trees. I thought I could use this for something. These huge container pots are, I believe, 2 feet wide, and you need two of them, one for the base and one for the top lid. Now for the base, you're just going to start cutting. I used my jigsaw and I made a little slit at the top and then cut around. And it's all dusty and stuff. After this, I painted, I washed it, and then I kind of did the touch-up paint with some black paint. For the second pot, I cut shallower, so at the base of the pot, I cut probably, I'd say 2.5 inches from the bottom, and then I cut the lid part, like right below that little lip that you see at the top of the pot. So that's the top part of the lid and then the bottom. And you can see here the base of the pot is much smaller in diameter than the lip. Okay, so to fix this problem with the width of the lid, you just need to cut out a circle of cardboard, hot glue it to the wider circle, and then place that lid on the top. And I created kind of like a round sippy cup part where a person would put their lips by just cutting that cardboard part out and then attaching the top part of the lid at more of an angle. So it's not straight on. Okay, so after that, the foam part, you remove the plastic sheet, and I stuck it into the first pot and then rounded it out to kind of angle of a cup. And then I started cutting down where that cup slit will be, where I will attach it. And this extra piece will be the top lip of the foam cup. All right, so the seam in the back was very noticeable and it needed more of a support so it wouldn't kind of fold at a weird angle. Like it wasn't a perfect circle that I wanted. So I had to insert a cardboard piece. Then I got white paper and I just covered that cardboard piece with paper. It's going to be the back side of the display that I'm doing, so I'm not too worried about it. So I stuck it in to the pot, which kind of helped hold it while I glued it all on the base. And then I attached a couple extra pieces inside to seal off that crack. I cut this fabric into a strip and hot glued it together so you'd have one very long strip. Then I wrapped the plaid fabric around the cup and kind of created a clean edge, just kind of tucked it under and hot glued it all the way around. See, I touched up all of the black parts with black acrylic paint, and then the top part of the cup I cut out a round circle of cardboard and kind of inserted a lip inside the cup so that the cardboard could sit on top of that, and painted the cardboard brown, then went back in and did kind of a light brown and a white swirls inside. Then I had these extra foam trees from another project that I wasn't going to use, and I just kind of sliced them to make them look like marshmallows, little mini marshmallows, and added tiny miniature ornaments for sprinkles. Then on top of that, I did a brown tulle. I just went to Joann's, got a quarter of a yard, and swirled it around the edges just to make it look like a smoky hot cocoa. Then this cream part, I got a old white silk pillowcase, stuffed it, and just plopped it on top. And that is the cream. Eventually, I want to make a giant straw to go with it, but that's another project. Hey, I hope this helps with your decorations this holiday season, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more like this.